Morning. Got the injector back the other day for this tractor, so I'm going to make the time today to get that injector installed so I can get this out of here and get the water pumps, the 2 water pumps in here so we get set up for our irrigation. First thing you want to do is make sure you remove the plastic caps. One thing I like to do is get a little bit of grease here, put it all the way down, to hold the seat on. That way it's not falling off when you're and landing in there crooked when you're putting the injector in there. Just a tiny bit, help hold it in place. Put the seat on there. And then stick it down in the hole. There we go. Bolts in there, started. Yep. Okay, got those snug. Guess I should have pulled that one off before I stuffed it in there. There we go. Alright, we're going to leave that loose. There we go. Okay, I'm going to put the exhaust back on. I'm going to go find some help. Make sure we don't have any air in that line. That injector, then we'll tighten it up. And we'll get it running and run it outside. And make sure we got the injector snug down tight enough so we don't have any blow by. If we don't have any blow by, we'll put the hood back on her and hook her up and put her to work. Is it? Yep. I'm ready. Yeah, I totally did not expect it to start up just like that. I figured it was going to argue like it usually does. Apparently, she's liking the lovin's.
Apparently.
Yeah, now the next thing is I want to drive it outside. And I'm going to squirt some soapy water around that and make sure I don't have any blow by.
Okay. I have a question.
I got to get the hood moved. What?
Does the fuel gauge actually work?
Yes. Believe it or not, on this tractor, yes, it works.
I got 3/4 of the tank.
Oh yeah, you should watch when you're bouncing through the field. Go as the tank gets emptier and emptier. I didn't see any blow by, so I'm gonna call that good to go. We'll get the muffler back off of her and put the hood, get her hood put back on her, and get it hooked back up to the plow. She's ready to go.